Hey, what's up, y'all? Listen, I'm tired, but I've had such an interesting day, but a blessed one. But I feel like I need to give back to the Most High. So, if I wasn't so tired, I would go live. But yeah, I just ain't got the energy. So, I want to give a message for the collective. Can I get a current energy message? Holy Spirit, this card want to come out. Star ancestors, follow the voice of your soul. So whatever you're being guided to, trust it, okay? Whatever messages you're getting, trust them. They're from your higher self. Just to clear the energy real quick. Oh. Make sure you are cleansing your energy. Doing whatever protection work you need to do, calling back your energy. Matter of fact, I call back all my energy. I release any and all that is not my own, and I return any negative energy back to sender at whatever intensity you see fit. Most High, please and thank you. Ashe. Archangel Michael, I ask that you watch over me, protect me, my family, my home, the collective, everybody that's comes across this message and watches it. Protect us from any negative energies, entities, attachments, or anything of the sort. Please and thank you, Ashe. Alright, so I'm going to just get some overall energy from this oracle deck. Gratitude. Yes. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm just doing this message for y'all right quick. In gratitude to my spirit team. In gratitude to the divine for looking out for me today. Okay? It is much appreciated. Okay. Letting go. Clearing and freedom. Ooh. I don't know why I'm getting letting go of the ego here with this peaceful being sitting on top of this lion. Like someone is crushing this part or this side of themselves, choosing to be more grounded, more at peace, just a different energy. Maybe somebody's letting go. Although they let go of something. Right behind that is clearing. Yeah, doing some kind of energetic clearing and freeing themselves from some kind of bondage or something. Letting go, clearing, and freedom. I like it because to me this symbolizes growth, and this could be a masculine energy. I feel like I've been picking up a lot of messages for, excuse me, men. But you can be any gender, okay? You can be a female in masculine energy. Now I'm extra sleepy. Yeah, with gratitude at the bottom again. Somebody could be, yeah, letting go of something. They're grateful for something. Change. Yeah, somebody, I'm telling you, somebody is going through some kind of change. Somebody is going through some kind of change and clearing out some type of old energy that's been holding them back. Okay. Gotta love that. I feel called to get a card from the Wisdom of the Oracle deck. Okay. What was this again? This card. Star ancestors, follow the voice of your soul. Yes, I feel like somebody is getting intuitively guided to make some kind of change. Kudos to you for following it. whoever you are. Yeah, because even this card right here, like there's a bird. You know, birds are spirit guides. There's a bird that's like guiding this person, maybe talking to them while they're meditating. Somebody's getting some kind of divine messages or messages from their higher self, ancestors, somebody, okay, while they're in this meditative state, you know, or in solitude when they're by themselves. And look at this person here. Again, a symbol of freedom. Everything is indeed out of control, and God will hold it all. I can safely let go. I feel like that's what someone is doing. Yes. Yeah, look at this. In preparation for a new life. This change energy. And this change card says, oh, when the ego finally sees the utter madness of trying to control everything, you come to a sacred crossroads in your own evolution. And right behind that is acceptance. So someone is coming to accept something. And it's causing a major change in that person. As true offering arises, it becomes easy to let go. You start to trust more. You start to trust that more will always arrive. You shift from mine to God's. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really creating major change for somebody. Yeah, and they're building on their foundation. Or want to build some type of foundation. Can I get a card here? Thank you. Yeah, imagine, look, I'm telling you, somebody's getting downloads about rebuilding something. With the regeneration there, we got a 2 or 20, a 46, which is a 10, a 22, and a 9. 9 is about transformation. 22 is, you know, ascended master energy. I'm telling you, somebody is getting some information, downloads from their higher self or from the ascended masters about rebuilding. And with this person holding on to the moon or being tethered to the moon, a phase of the moon, I feel like someone is going through changes in phases, you know, as they rebuild and tap into their higher selves and heal some things with those stars there. Yeah. In receiving blessings because of it, or somebody's doing it in preparation to head towards somebody with some blessings. I gotta say, I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, another 10 here. 10. Endings for new beginnings. Yep. All that glitters. So, somewhere where somebody was wearing a mask or something like that, yeah, they're building something more solid. They want to build something more solid. They feel like it's time to do this. Wow. So the time is now for somebody to do something. Confirmation. Somebody wants to clear out some kind of energy to set themselves free. And they are being divinely guided to do this, to come out of bondage. I no longer want this fiery ring of resentment to block the good. Release me from its bonds. Somebody wants to be in high honor now. They want to be on a higher vibration. Beautiful, beautiful. A wealthy man. That's the King of Pentacles type energy. Interesting. Mature woman. Oh. Mm. Courthouse. Community. Courtship. Okay, now, what's behind this concern before I say it? Concern, occupation. Secret. The wealthy man gives King of Pentacles energy, so I was thinking this could be a husband as well. Take it how it resonates, though. I'm about to clarify it. Okay. Expectation. And there's another 10 with the 28. Wealthy man, expectation. This also gives like the energy of waiting for something. Somebody could be waiting on you to let go of something. Okay? The distant horizons is also a card of dreams, hopes, and wishes. Wow. These dreams, hopes, and wishes for something is... the sun wealth can also represent a lot of something, a lot of change. These dreams, hopes, and wishes, yeah, that's what's creating this abundance of change for somebody to free themselves from bondage. Okay. For somebody, I'm telling you, it's a marriage. Yep. And there's the mature man. What's this wealthy man in expectation? This could even be somebody that you're waiting on or something, I'm getting. Or the wealthy man could be waiting. But I see a man and a woman. The woman is facing this wealthy man. Somebody's expecting something. What is it, Holy Spirit? I feel like this wealthy man spends a lot of time thinking about rebuilding something with this blessed energy. Or somebody could be spending a lot of time thinking about rebuilding themselves in their own lives because they want to get in this blessed energy. And yeah. Ooh. Somebody know they got to do a lot of changes though, right? If they want to be your match. And this could be the other man. The mature man could also be... This wealthy man is waiting on you, I feel like, to let go of this other man. Oh, shucky ducky. Wow. For some of y'all, if you in a marriage, somebody could be waiting on you to end a marriage because they want to marry you. And whoever this person is, I don't know if they feel like you're still focused on this husband energy or yeah. What's up with the mature man? Okay. Right. Okay, so the mature man is the main male. Damn. Somebody wants you to turn your back on this situation here and focus on them and only them. And with that 4 and the 28, well, the 13 and the 28, this 13 is a 4 and the 28 is a 10. Okay, the 4 is all about stability, okay, and it's a wealthy man, the King of Pentacles. They're very stable. And the 10, you know, is about an ending and a new beginning. That's that letting go and that clearing and freedom. I feel like somebody is waiting on a person to free themselves from a marriage. Look, a lover of yours. This could also be a choice. Yeah, the privileged lady is the match to the wealthy man. Wow. Yes, journey. Somebody's been waiting on this. Another energy of waiting. Excuse me, confirmation. Because they want to offer you something to be their official person. I'm telling you, oh my God. Somebody want to steal you away from whoever you with. Yeah, and they are really deep in their feelings about it. They dream and think about this all the time. Hope and wish. You know, they have a lot of hope that the two of you could get together. But there's a lot. Didn't I say this card represents a lot? Somebody probably thinks and daydreams. Yes, with this imagine. Somebody spends a lot of time imagining the two of you together in a committed connection. But someone here is already in a committed connection. And they're waiting for you to let go. Wow. Yeah. This main female. Message of concern. Yes, somebody wants you to work on, like, ending this. This could even be the other way. This could be this masculine energy, okay? Who's the other man in your life. They want to be your main man. You know what I'm saying? But maybe they have to clear out something. They have to clear out another connection. And whoever this other person, their main female, you know, they could have found some information, a message or something like that, that this person wants to, like they want to put an end to working on this situation that they have. Or they could have found out that this person wants to work, you know, with you, or work on severing or ending that connection, okay? Leaving a situation and starting a new love somewhere, you know, that they feel will be a beautiful beginning for them. Yeah. But somebody knows they have to put in some work to end this. I feel like it's a legal partnership. Yes, because somebody, listen, somebody thinks about you a whole lot and they feel absolutely trapped. They want to free themselves. Wow. Yes. Okay. This is current energy. I just asked for a current energy message. And with this building blocks, somebody wants to rebuild something. So this is someone from your past They could be, you know, from the present, but they want to rebuild something with you, and where they're at is not where it's at. Okay, if you get what I mean. They know with the TikTok, they know it's time for them to leave this connection. Okay, they feel alone, even though they're with somebody. Somebody feels alone, and that's why they're ready to take a risk. Come to the edge, they're ready to take a risk, you know, and go against the grain, go do something different. But they know it's going to cause a lot of chaos and conflict. They already know this, but F all that, they ready for a new life. They're willing to go into a situation where there's equal give and take, and somebody is deeply in their emotions about it. Yeah, but this yang energy, this masculine energy has a lot of passion for somebody, a lot of emotion. Somebody loves another person and they have a lot of passion. So this is a fiery connection. Somebody's deeply attracted to another person, and it's not just sex either. This person makes this masculine energy very happy. Very happy. So much so they definitely ready to put something to rest. Okay? Yeah. Right now. Right now. Yeah, they feel like what y'all, the energy between the two of you can go the distance, but they know they got to clearing something up first. Okay? Maybe they're going to ask you to be flexible, or maybe they feel like they're bending too much or being too flexible in the situation they're in, whereas with you, it feels like fate, destiny. Wow. Who is this for? Okay, we know this is about love, so look, very soon, I'm trying to tell y'all, somebody is, damn, very soon, somebody is making moves to be with their soulmate. I'm gonna drop the mic right there. I ain't finna beat it to death, because I already see that, you know, where this is going, and y'all see it too. The first card out was letting go. Somebody is letting something go. They're clearing out the energy, and they're about to release themselves from the ties that bind and headed your way. Take it how it resonates. Until next time, y'all. Peace. 22 on the clock.